at Holy Cross Lakeview Senior Secondary School. Today, together, we'll be discussing teenage hormones and sexuality. Just as my colleagues described, a hormone is a chemical substance produced by glands in the body that circulates in the bloodstream and affects the function of target cells. In short, we can all look at hormones as messengers carrying signals from one part of the body to another. In this case, we are referring to them as teenage hormones because their concentration is higher in teenagers or adolescents. A teenager is someone between the ages of 12 and 20, or someone from the ages of 13 to 19. When we talk about teenage hormones, we talk about the interplay of biology, meaning it involves a whole range of connections. First on our list of discussion, we have the gonadotropin-releasing hormone. This hormone is produced by what we like to refer to as the manager gland, which is the hypothalamus. Now, a question to us all. Why is it produced? What's its function? Why is it being produced? Its function is to stimulate the master gland, which is the pituitary gland, to produce two other hormones, which will be the second and third hormones on our list of discussion. Next, we have what we call the luteinizing hormone, which is sometimes abbreviated as capital L and H. The luteinizing hormone plays a crucial role in the regulation of the production of sex hormones, which are the testosterone in males and estrogen in females. It also plays a crucial role in the maturation of the reproductive system. Thirdly, we have the follicle-stimulating hormone, also abbreviated as capital F, S, and H. This hormone works hand in hand with the luteinizing hormone. In females, it stimulates the growth of ovarian follicles, which are like sacs, and they contain immature eggs, scientifically known as the oocytes. And in males, the follicle-stimulating hormone stimulates the Sertoli cells to support sperm production. Fourth on our list today, we have the testosterone. This is the primary sex hormone in males. But before I continue, did you all know that testosterone is also present in females, but in smaller amounts? No. Well, it is. The testosterone is responsible for the secondary sex characteristics in males. Characteristics like facial hair, growth of facial hair, deepening of the voice, and muscle growth. It also influences libido and sperm production in males. Next is estrogen. Just as testosterone in males, the estrogen is responsible for secondary sex characteristics, but in females. These secondary sex characteristics include breast development, widening of hips, and regulation of the menstrual cycle. It also affects mood, bone density, and sexual desire. We then have the progesterone. This is another female sex hormone that works alongside the estrogen to regulate the menstrual cycle and support pregnancy. It is primarily produced by the ovaries during the menstrual cycle and helps prepare the uterus for implantation. Lastly, on our list, we have the prolactin. This is responsible for milk production in females. Well, it is not directly related to puberty or sexual development in teenagers, but increased levels of this hormone prolactin can sometimes occur during adolescence and may be associated with conditions like menstrual irregularities and galactorrhea, which is the spontaneous milk secretion from breasts. In conclusion, these hormones interact in complex ways to orchestrate physical, emotional, and sexual changes that occur during adolescence. Thank you very much.